Hi, how are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. How about you?
I'm good too. How was your morning?
It was nice and quiet.
What are you doing these days?
I'm learning a new skill.
That's great! What skill are you learning?
I'm learning how to cook
Why did you choose cooking?
because I want to eat healthy food.
Is it easy to learn?
Not really, but it's fun.
How often do you practice?
I practice 3 times a week.
Do you follow video lessons?
Yes, I watch cooking videos.
Where do you watch them?
I watch them on my phone.
Do you take notes while learning?
Yes, I write down the steps.
Is writing notes helpful?
Yes, it helps me remember.
What was the first thing you cooked?
I cooked fried rice.
Did it taste good?
Yes, it was quite good.
Do you cook for your family?
Sometimes, on weekends.
Do they like your cooking?
Yes, they enjoy it.
Besides cooking, do you have other hobbies?
Yes, I also like drawing.
How long have you been drawing?
For about 2 years.
Did someone teach you?
No, I learned by myself.
Is it hard to learn alone?
A little, but I keep trying.
Do you draw every day?
Not every day, just sometimes.
What do you usually draw?
I draw nature and animals.
Do you show your drawings to others?
Yes, I share them online.
Do people like your drawings?
Yes, they say nice things.
Does that make you happy?
Yes, it makes me proud.
Do you want to learn more skills?
Yes, I want to learn photography
Why photography?
because I love taking pictures.
Is it expensive to start?
Not really. A phone is enough.
Do you think learning new things is important?
Yes, it keeps life interesting.
Thank you for talking with me today.
You're welcome. It was nice talking to you.